can we ask for? Of course, aside from freedom, which we are temporarily deprived of, let's say we have achieved something worthwhile as Paratics. All of us never expected that we learn as junior here at Paratics jail. So, look at us now. See that we have come a long way to reach where we stand. Isn't it amazing that even if we are behind bars, we can say that we are not bound or burdens to society? Truly, because the added knowledge we gained about law and how to deal with it, we were able to share in part such to our fellow inmates, which proved to be useful information regarding their cases. Well folks, this is not the end. Not a farewell nor goodbye, but a big hello to a new beginning as certified paralegal coordinator. Let us all carry on with our new responsibilities and obligations to our fellow inmates and society as well. Welcome to our new world.